Hello and welcome. I'm so happy to have you here for today's cleaning motivation. If this is your first time here, my name is Becky. I am a wife and mom to 3 little ones. We are expecting our 4th in April 2024. Here on my channel, I love sharing real life, mom life, cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you like watching those types of videos, I hope you will stick around and subscribe to my channel. Let's do this. We are starting in my master bedroom, taking it a little bit slower today as we prepare to pack up our house and move. Over the next few weeks, there will be lots of packing and deep cleaning in this house. While we pack up to move to our new house, then over the next few months, we will be unpacking, decluttering, and organizing in the new house. And I say a few months because I am in no rush. I plan on taking my time making our new house really feel like home. Going through everything we have packed away over the last year in preparation for this move and making sure that we are only keeping the things that we really want and really need. Who knows, it might take more than a few months, it might take a year, it might be a never-ending, ever-revolving project that I just continuously work on. I feel like as a mom, the decluttering never stops because there's always more stuff in my house. Even if I don't buy anything, I feel like it comes from somewhere. Whether it's the kids' toys or clothes or my clothes or shoes, we are always going through, organizing, and decluttering something. I am so excited to share with you all that is to come. If you are excited too and want to follow us on this journey into the next phase of our lives, I would absolutely love to have you as part of this amazing YouTube community. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As you can see, we have straightened up my master bedroom and I have now pulled out my carpet cleaner. I have the attachment on it that helps me clean upholstery. I am cleaning my upholstered headboard. In a previous video a while ago, probably about a month ago at this point, you could see a little bit of discoloration where our pillows go, so I tried to just clean those spots and it actually made the discoloration on my headboard way worse. This wasn't the plan. The plan was not to pull out my carpet cleaner and do this, but I was looking at it and I was like, that is so frustrating to look at. I just need to get it cleaned and get it over with. So I pulled out my carpet cleaner, put the attachment on it, and got way out of breath cleaning this at 22 weeks pregnant, but we got it done and it looks so much better now. If you're wondering why I'm using my carpet cleaner and the attachment when you've probably seen me use my little green machine before, it's because contrary to what a lot of other people say about the little green machine, especially other cleaning channels, I'm just not a huge fan of it. I don't think it does the best job. I don't think the suction power is great. I think my big carpet cleaner and the attachment do a lot better. I've even considered trying a portable Hoover or the Tinco upholstery cleaner. If you have tried one that you love and want to share it, let me know in the comments below. When I do decide to purchase a new one, if I love it, of course I will share it with you, but so far I have not found one that I absolutely love and that I think does a great job. So I'm going to continue using my carpet cleaner until then. While that's drying, I'm going to make my bed, of course, making sure that when I put my pillows on my bed, they are not touching my headboard because they would get wet. I was a little bit worried that my headboard wouldn't be dry by the time I went to bed because when I was doing this, it was a little bit later in the day. Thankfully, after turning on my fan and letting it sit for a few hours, my headboard was completely dry when it was time for bed. Since I got started a little bit later in the day in my master bedroom, that was the only thing I was able to get done on this first day when I was done cleaning in there. The kids and I still had some schoolwork to do. I had to make dinner. We all ate dinner together. Then it was time for bath time and bedtime. Knowing that I didn't have to go anywhere for the rest of the night or really do anything besides mom duties, I wanted to wash my face just because it makes me feel more comfortable and relaxed to have all of my makeup off and a clean face. Lately I've been using the Foreo Luna 4 2-in-1 Smart Facial Cleansing and Firming Device. It makes for an effortless skincare routine and helps tackle the signs of aging for clean, visibly brighter, and healthier looking skin. With the Luna 4, you can have a cleansing routine that is perfectly curated for your skin, with regular, gentle, and deep cleaning modes for different skin needs on different areas of your face and neck, and 16 T-sonic pulsation intensities to choose from. Luna 4 offers the most personalized cleansing experience available. It's made of ultra-hygienic silicone touch points that are 35 times more hygienic than brushes with nylon bristles and removes 99% of dirt, oil, and makeup residue. You can also download the Foreo app where you can do an app-guided firming massage facial, directing low-frequency pulsations to help firm wrinkle-prone areas. Luna 4 helps reduce visible signs of aging, relax facial muscle tension points, and improve lymphatic drainage, which boosts radiance and reduces puffiness. The Foreo Luna 4 is rarely on discount, but they are offering a 21% discount for the first 100 people that click the link in my description. Thank you, Foreo, for sponsoring today's video. It is the next day. We are now in my kids' messy bedroom. The first thing we're going to do is just pick up everything that is on the floor. Once that is done, I will be changing their sheets, making their beds, and completely decluttering the nightstand that is in between the kids' beds. We will not be taking this nightstand to the new house, so even if it's something small to make the move easier, I decided to go through and declutter it now and take it out of this room while I was in here. All of this toilet paper is right here because Wyatt was trying to be a good little brother and bring Noah a tissue, but he forgot to rip it off the roll and dragged the toilet paper through the house. Even though it's in this crumbled up little ball, it is perfectly fine and unused, so I just put it back in the bathroom rather than wasting it and throwing it away. If you have ever been in the same situation I am in, where you are moving from one house to another, where in the first house all of your kids shared the same bedroom, and now when you are moving, your kids will all be split up, I would love to know your experience in this. Was it an easy or hard transition? Did they like having their own space, or did they wish they were together again? I feel like my kids are going to have a hard time at first, but once they've gotten used to it, I feel like they will absolutely love having their own space. And I know some of you have asked in the past where the new baby will be. The baby will be in the master bedroom for a while. I'm not sure exactly how long. I'm thinking about a year, and then Hazel and the baby will share a room. She is extremely excited to share a room with her new sister. That being said, I do not plan on setting up a nursery for this new baby. In my experience as a co-sleeping mom, a nursery is kind of a wasted space. The baby will have a crib set up in the master bedroom, as well as everything that is needed as far as diapers, wipes, ointment, and the baby's clothes will be in Hazel's closet, so we just won't have a nursery. I know a lot of you were looking forward to the nursery setup, but it will just be a different kind of setup here on my channel. We will still be preparing for the baby, setting up the crib. We just won't have an entire room for this baby because I don't think it's necessary. We might even have the baby's clothes in the master closet for a short time. I'm really not sure. I have not thought it all the way through. I've always had a nursery for each one of my kids, but this time is just going to look a little different, and I think it'll be a little bit more functional. The kids' beds are made. Now I'm going to start decluttering this nightstand. I'm going to take everything out of it and find a new home for everything that's in there, and just say goodbye to this nightstand right now rather than waiting. Like I said a little while ago, anything that makes the move a little bit easier, even something as small as this, I think will make an impact once we finally pack up and move. It was pretty easy to find a new home for everything that was in this nightstand. I honestly don't even think we needed it in the first place. A lot of stuff went in the bathroom. All of Hazel's bows went in my master bedroom for the time being, because in the new house, the kids will have their own bathroom upstairs and all of her bows will go in there. So right now they're in my bathroom, but in the new house, they will have their own home. I'm just trying to think a little bit ahead here, and this seemed like the best thing to do. We are finishing up in this room, wiping everything down, vacuuming, putting all of the kids' stuffed animals back, and finally changing Wyatt's crib sheet. The plan is in the new house, when we do his room makeover, each kid will get their own room makeover, but when we do Wyatt's, I'm going to switch out his crib for a big boy bed. I am really excited and looking forward to giving each of my kids a room that they love to call their own. This is something they've never experienced before. Like for Hazel, I know she would love a pink and purple unicorn themed room, and I'm so looking forward to making those dreams become a reality for her. Same with Wyatt and Noah. They each are really into their own thing, and I think they are going to love having this space to call their own. My belly is getting so big that it's a little bit challenging to change Wyatt's crib sheets without struggling a little bit. It took a lot more effort to change his sheets than the last time I changed his sheets about 2 weeks ago, but we got it done and we have so much exciting stuff coming up. I hope you enjoyed today's video and it gave you some motivation to have a positive and productive day. Thank you for being here and watching. If you did like today's video, I hope you give it a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks again for being here. I will see you in the next one.